Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer. In this video, we will dive into the features, specifications, and user experiences of both gimbals to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a casual videographer or a professional filmmaker, understanding the differences between these two products is crucial for your filming needs. The Hohem iSteady M6 features advanced iSteady 7.0 technology, providing exceptional stabilization for your smartphone videos. This gimbal is designed to handle dynamic movements, ensuring smooth footage even in challenging conditions. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer utilizes Smart 8.0 technology, which also delivers solid stabilization, but may not match the performance of the iSteady M6 in more demanding scenarios. Both gimbals offer 3-axis stabilization, but the Hohem's advanced features give it an edge for serious videographers. When it comes to AI tracking, the Hohem iSteady M6 excels with its face and body tracking capabilities, along with gesture control features that enhance user experience. This allows for effortless filming of moving subjects. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer also offers face and object tracking, making it a versatile option for capturing various scenes. However, the advanced tracking features of the Hohem provide a more seamless filming experience, especially for dynamic shots. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two gimbals. The Hohem iSteady M6 comes with a premium price tag of $229, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer is priced at a budget-friendly $64, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. While the Hohem offers superior technology, the AOCHUAN provides excellent value for casual users and beginners. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem is ideal for those seeking advanced features and superior stabilization, while the AOCHUAN offers great value for budget-conscious users. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more